Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you all box accessories with the device comes. So first we'll open the box, and here we got the paperwork, and here on this right side we got the charger brick, the original charger HTC brick with the specs on the back side. Also here we got the regular earbuds with the 3.5mm part, and also we got here the USB cable to charge our device. And that's how it looks. There are a wall of box accessories inside our HTC Desire 628. And thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.